Welcome! If you want to take screenshot without using physical buttons on your XIAOMI Redmi Note 8, we can make it on the two methods. So the first one, simply open notification panel and find screenshot icon. When you tap on it once, your screenshot will be taken. As you can see, here it is. When you click on it once, you are able to save and you will find it in the file manager. The next option that you can use to take screenshot is option to slide with 3 fingers down, just like that. And if you want to enable this option, you have to simply scroll down and go for the additional settings. Next, we have to go for button shortcuts, and we will find take screenshot in this place, and we have to select slide down with 3 fingers. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.